Making the bar wasn't hard. Adjusting it can be difficult. If you want to bring that shoe together, set it there, set it there, set it there. Just keep flipping it back and forth. And I've brought those heels together. Tighten that up. Flatten it out. If I want to widen those heels out, I'll find the shape of the horn that I need and just hit down beyond, right there. Hit down beyond, right there. And see how that brought that out? Just hit beyond. And now widen that back up. If I need a hind bar shoe, I'll start right here at the toe, and I'll hit right beyond. I'm going to straighten up that quarter, walk the hammer down to the heel quarter, flip it over, set it at the same point on the horn, hit beyond the horn, walk down towards the heel quarter, and now we have a hind shape. We can further adjust the heels or the quarter bends as we want them. Right there, bring that in, flip it over, right there, bring that in. Adjust the shape slightly. I'm hitting on the outside. I'm going to use the flat side of the hammer. Adjust the shape. I can also set it there and bring it this way. Watch that shape. Flatten it out. I use measuring tools like these calipers to help define where I'm going to put the nail holes. So traditionally we use stock that is twice the thickness, or twice the width is the thickness of the hoof wall. Most of our horses have about a 3/8 of an inch thick hoof wall. So we use primarily 3/4 inch stock. That's twice 3/8. So our nail line is in the center. Now I'm going to mark my last nail holes, which are just before the widest point of the stock, traditionally, to allow those heels to expand and contract as they normally would. And I'll punch the nail holes there. And cool your tools. You raise the temperature about 600 degrees, you're going to create damage to that tool. Once I've got the stamp in, then I'll take a pritchel, make sure that the pritchel is waxed. I'll give it one pop there, take it to the hardy hole, and send it through. Cool your pritchel, one tap there, send it through. The pritchel needs to be maintained. You need a square flat end, and the edges just beyond the end need to be slightly rounded to allow that pritchel to slide back out. Punching the pritchels, punching the nail holes with the pritchel, I want the shoe to be at a black heat. If the pritchel is sharp, you're at a black heat. It should punch a small nugget right out of there. With that being said, those small nuggets go flying too, so be careful about your surroundings. So I have my nail holes clean. I can clean off the small burr with the file right there. Flatten that shoe out. This is called coining. Coining the shoe. I'm working primarily on the inside width of web because as you bend that shoe around, the inside width of web thickens. We don't want that to be thicker or closer to the sole, as that could put pressure on the sole, creating pain to the horse. Alright, so once the nail holes are in there, now I'll draw some clips on that shoe. So I've put some source out there. I'm going to hold the shoe at about a 45-degree angle, get over my material, and just start pushing that bubble out on the anvil. Now here you'll notice that I'm choked up on the hammer. My swings are short, and it's important to hit the same place twice. And I'm just tipping that shoe down and chasing that material out onto the anvil. And when I finish that up, I'll clean up the corners there, bring it over here, put that in at the same angle as the hoof wall is, flatten that shoe up, go over the edge here, and make sure the shoe is also flat. So when you run your hand over there, it's smooth with the outline of the shoe. Let's do that again. Just grabbing that bubble, tipping the shoe down, letting that hammer drop, chasing that bubble out onto that clip horn. Smoothing it up on the corners, bringing it up here, setting that clip back into the shoe at the same angle as the hoof wall, leveling out the inside, coming back into here, making sure that shoe is flat. Remember to draw your clips in the same direction that the nail holes were punched. It's really frustrating when you've drawn them the wrong direction. All right. And then I'm just going to clean that shoe up some and we'll go on to something else.